Someone told me for my sitting goat to put a bucket under her. So let's try it and see if it works. I've never been kicked by a goat before. So this is the problem. She sits. This is supposedly going to be the solution. Her belly's slipping off of it. Oh, she got her belly off of it. Good Lord. It's working. Like, I don't know if I can get the milk machine on her. She's not sitting. The fact that she's laying on it and looks extremely uncomfortable is all on her. If she stood up, the bucket wouldn't be squishing her like this. Is it funny, Elsie? Prove my point. She's actually standing up right now, and the bucket is like barely touching her belly. She did try to sit while I put the machine on. As soon as it was on, she gave up. That worked. I'm actually super happy. Thank you, everyone, for helping me with that.